Hello everyone, myself Ashish Verma and I am from CS department. Now take an example of your HTML tag. And today's topic is marquee. In marquee tag, for example, I will write here head, title, after that head, after that I create title. Here I write the heading of my tags. End of title, end of head. Now moves on body. Here I write a text, have a nice day. Control S. This is your normal text. I want to change in scrolling position. So here you write marquee or after that marquee टैब को आपको क्लोज करना है. Control S, F5. Result is displayed. Now I want to change the width because the resolution and size of my screen is so big, so it is not covered by your video. So here the result. Now I want to change the background color. So here you write BG color, yellow. Control S, F5. The background color of your text is changed. Now I want to change the font size and text and color of text, not background. So here write font size is equal to 10 and the color is blue. After the text, end of font. Control S, F5. Here you see the result. The message appears from right side and moves to left. Again, when the text completed, again it comes from right and moves to left. Now, here are some little bit changes. Here I write font size 5, Control S, F5. I want to change the speed of this text. So here you write scroll amount. It is the speed. According to this number, you can change the speed. See the result. If you decrease the number, Control S, F5. See the result. Now, for example, I take number 8 for the speed. Now problem is that this message comes out from right and moves to left, but I want to change the position right to left and left to right. Then the tag is, here you write here is the right behavior and tag is alternate. For requirements, because my tag is so big, so I change the font size. Here you see the result. Control S, F5. And now this text not goes out from the screen. It moves left to right and right to left. Now, if you want to change the position, not position, here is the speed. I want to remove this speed. It's okay, no problem, you can do it. Right, now take another marquee tag, just copy it, Control C and Control V. Both of them marquee are separated by BR tag. As I told you. Control S, F5. Now here I write not center. I want to change the position, not position. Height. Here I write 200. Control S, F5. Here you see the changes. Now I want to change the direction. Direction. Here you write up. Control S, F5. Okay. In this case, this from this part to this part is not used by me. So I want to change the width. Here is my width. So I change the width 300. Control S, F5. You want to decrease more, 250. Control S, F5. You can decrease according to your work. You can one by one, or you can do at a time. If you want to change the position again, so here you write center tag. Control S, F5. It moves on center. Again you want to not do it, to remove the center tag. Control S, F5. That's all. There is a marquee tag. We will try another tags one by one, but keep practice on it. That's all. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.